Welcome back, everyone. Today we're in the small town of Wellington searching for our next clamper marker. Located at the intersection of Nevada State Route 208 and Nevada State Route 829, the Wellington Cutoff, is a rustic two-story building. This is the Heyday Inn, Bar, and Restaurant. On the front of this building, near the entrance, we will discover our clamper marker. So let's take a look at Pierce Station. Pierce Station. Established by Zadok Pierce in 1875 as a hotel, grocery, and feed store, it was sold in 1903 to the Reading brothers of Bodie, who renamed it the W.E. Reading General Merchandise. Later on, in 1945, Perry and Jerry Aitkins acquired it and gave it its present name, the Heyday Inn. In 1980, W. Carlson and J. Eithrebro bought it from E. Grosso, remodeled the interior, leaving the exterior in its original condition. Reopened for business in January 1983. Dedicated this 14th day of May, 1988 by Bodie Chapter No. 64, Julia C. Belay Chapter No. 1864, Snowshoe Thompson Chapter No. 1827 of Eclampus Vitus.